Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and today's video is all about a Mercedes C63s that we've added a full security system to. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison Prima amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So this is actually a returning customer of ours. We've previously done work on their previous vehicles. However, the C63s is now in for a full security upgrade. In terms of owning a C63, you might be looking to insure the vehicle and then being asked to actually have a Thatcham approved tracker. And that's exactly what this video is all about, securing your vehicle with the Thatcham S5 VTS tracking system. So one key benefit of adding on a Thatcham approved tracking system is these little tags here. They're called what's called ADR tag. It's a driver recognition tag, a very small little device that gets kept on your keys or in your wallet or purse. And what happens is if this vehicle is moved, started, or whatever the matter is, and without one of these tags present, you actually get a notification directly to your mobile device, as well as the fact that then if your vehicle is in the eventuality of being stolen, you actually liaise directly with Vodafone and they'll liaise directly with the police to get your vehicle recovered in record-breaking times. Another way to secure your vehicle is actually purchasing a product called Theftblock. But what is Theftblock? Theftblock is a Faraday box, comes in a variety of different colors. Plus, we've actually got a discount code which you can head online right now. Link for everything is in the description below. Discount code is CBS10, so make sure you go check it out. But this car is a C63s. I've got the key in my hand. The car is prepped from stock with keyless entry as well as keyless start, which means it is a very, very vulnerable vehicle to key cloning and vehicle theft. Yes, the tracker is an incredible way of stopping a vehicle from being stolen, but also tracking the vehicle once it is to get it recovered in record times. But what Theftblock does is actually stops the actual key from being cloned when it's inside the box. So I've got the key outside. The car is locked currently when I access, and that's the keyless entry technology. I'm not pressing the button on here. However, when I lock the car now, I'm going to show you guys exactly how good this thing is. You put the key in there, you close the box, and now even anywhere here, car isn't opening, plus the car won't even start. So well worth looking into, where you get home and you can put your keys directly in it. Discount code CBS10 for Theftblock. Another really great feature of adding on the Thatcham tracker onto your vehicle is actually the application which you can download right now, guys, on the Google Play Store as well as the App Store. It's called My Connected Car. It gives you full access to tracking data like the trip report. I can actually see exactly when my vehicle was used, plus all of the data and journey details and speed that everything was traveling at as well. So really nice. You get a lot of data on here. Plus you can actually locate your car as well, which is quite nice. The other thing you've got is speeding alerts, transport mode and garage mode as well when your vehicle's in for a service potentially. But you can also set geofencing plus much more. Means you can actually go through, see your vehicle wherever you want to, but also you've got all of the notifications, your push notifications for geofencing, speeding alerts as well as theft alerts, all live directly in one place. So we're all wrapped up here on today's video. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video, but also seen a little bit more about how and what the options are available to secure your vehicle. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, if you're interested in any of these products or any other security upgrades that you might have seen on our YouTube channel or any of our social media platforms, make sure you get in touch with us. All the links for everything you should need are in the description below, guys. But thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you all very soon.